Hello everyone and welcome back again. Namaste to the Indian viewers here. Welcome back. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi from South Sudan in Africa, and I'm currently in India, guys. So now or currently Maldives in India, they are having some issues whereby the Maldives people or the government, I can say, they started mocking the prime minister for maybe promoting his own land, which is, they call it the lakshaweep, guys. So it was really so something unexpected. I didn't expect something like that. I read the news, but it is really so rude, and I don't expect something like this to happen from a leader of a Maldives. It can happen, I can say, from normal citizen like us. But so what happened is that the one of the leader or government person, like she mocked, I forgot her name, she mocked the prime minister, and she wrote one post which was really so negative, and this really created a lot of hatred, and people felt racist for her post. And later she deleted the post, and she started telling people that it's something personal, individual, like that. But up to now, people are not happy for that. So we are going to check one video here from WION telling us Maldives suspended 3 ministers over remark against PM Modi, guys. So let's check.
And now the news, Maldives government has suspended 3 deputy ministers over derogatory remarks made against India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mariyam, Shiuna, Malsha and Hassan Zihan have been sacked by the Maldivian government. The move comes after New Delhi officially shared its concerns with Malé over the matter. The disparaging remarks followed Indian Prime Minister Modi's visit to Lakshadweep. Maldives government spokesperson has confirmed the suspensions, but now suspended Deputy Minister Zihan is terming the incident as quote-unquote fake news. Although one of the minister, Shiuna, deleted her tweets, the incident has sparked a diplomatic row between the neighboring countries. The Maldivian political class has also condemned the actions. Faris, the president of the Maldives Reform Movement, has called on the government to take action against public officials who disrespect heads of state and high officials of friendly countries. The Maldives National Party also posted on social media against the quote-unquote racist and derogatory remarks. The island nation has also issued an official statement regarding the issue. It says that Shiuna's opinions are personal and do not represent the views of the government of Maldives. It also mentions that relevant government authorities will not hesitate to take action against derogatory remarks in the future. WION has also reached out to the Maldives government for a response. We are awaiting that at the moment. Now, for more on this, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Symbol is joining us live from New Delhi. Siddhant, what is the latest you have for us in this new diplomatic row?
Well, essentially what has happened in last 2 hours is, first, the Maldives government has suspended 3 ministers over the derogatory remarks. These ministers were found tweeting, putting posts on the social media sites and making disparaging remarks. The second, of course, is that India had raised the matter with the Maldives government, and thereafter we saw the Maldives government coming out saying and distancing itself from the remarks made by these ministers, saying that these are their personal opinions. So a strong action by the Maldives government, and of course the Maldives government also issuing clarification. But of course it looks like damage has been done. Basically the entire row erupted over the Maldives ministers making remarks on social media after the visit of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Lakshadweep. And since then, it started to blow over. We saw the social media posts, and in fact, celebrities in India also came out strongly condemning these racist remarks, but also pointing out that how the Indians should travel to Lakshadweep rather than Maldives. But essentially, we have seen internally in Maldives as well, the opposition parties have come out strongly and slammed the government for not taking strong action against the ministers as soon as the entire row broke. In fact, one of the ministers who has been suspended, minister who, of course, made the derogatory remark, Shiuna, she, of course, was the former spokesperson of the Maldives president and was currently also the spokesperson of the Malay City Council. So essentially, she, of course, is in the elite political class, but her remarks, of course, show that she had no idea that this will happen.
Siddhant, even before President Mohammad Muizzu officially took office in Maldives, his anti-India sentiments were very well known. I want to ask you, how is New Delhi formulating its foreign policy with Malay?
India always had positive relationship with Maldives. There are several instances. So the most recent one is during the COVID pandemic. India sent out a lot of vaccines to Maldives. There was a water crisis in Maldives as well, where India played a crucial role just recently, a few years ago. But one moment that everyone remembers is the 1988 coup attempt in Maldives, where the Indian Navy had played an important role in thwarting that. So India-Maldives relationship has been positive. There are many Indians working in Maldives. Many Maldivians travel to India for tourism, for education, and largely people-to-people relationship have been sustaining. But the current government in Maldives has taken a distinct anti-India stance. The Maldivian president, in a break from tradition, traveled to Turkey rather than to China, rather than to India, is a break from the past, and currently he is on a visit to China as well, which is a week-long visit and will be closely observed here in Delhi. So he has starkly remained away from India engagement with the Indian government, though he has met the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Dubai on 1st of December on the sidelines of Climate Summit, where of course he said that his focus is the removal of these Indian troops. Now, these Indian troops have been playing an important part in the evacuation in Maldives. So essentially, this is a government which has taken an anti-India stance, while India continues with its policy of neighborhood first and putting Maldives at the forefront of its foreign policy in the neighborhood first policy in the region.
All right, Siddhant, thank you for getting.
Wow, what a friendly, what an amazing country is India, guys. India is really, I don't know how to describe India, but from the call, guys, I understood everything. And India is still taking things positively, guys, though they have been mocked. And for real, if it was any other European country, I think this thing is gonna be like, it's gonna be little spicy, more spicy and fire. But India is always kind of a friendly, as he said. It's a good country. They are always looking for peace and peaceful solution. This is what I can say. And though Maldivian or the Maldives government, they really did wrong. And I really wish that those who did anti or racist tweets should be suspended for real. This is really very wrong. I don't care if it is individual post, personal. They should be suspended. They are representing a country. Those Maldivian people, like the politician, the governor. You are representing a country. You should know exactly the kind of post you're putting, and you are also directing the post straight to the another prime minister country. This involves a nation. It doesn't involve kind of a friendly or just small organization or something like that. This is really so rude from them, and I'm not really happy. Though I'm not Indian, I'm not from Maldives, I'm African, but honestly, it is so mean from them to create this kind of a racist post. This really is going to be to create hatred, because I know Indians, they will be friends with you. They will be so good to you until when you just start hating them or creating hatred among them. That is when they will cut you off. And when they hate you, believe me, and if Indian hate you, they will hate you forever. Like, even if later on the Maldivian will be friendly, but still the citizen will be keeping that in their mind, and they will hate Maldives people. And some would like just previous, I saw one news that a lot of travelers from India who were going to Maldives, they all canceled their flight. Just imagine, guys. It doesn't involve them, right? It doesn't involve them personal, but as a nation, it involved them. But they still took it personal. they took the nation issue personal. The Indian, they cancel all their ticket, and I saw one traveling app also, Travel Easy, something like that. They also stopped the flight from Maldives. So, and so many Indians, they are also traveling to Maldives, which is making Maldives to help their economic for the tourism. So anyway, this is what I'm saying according to my own point of view. Let me hear from you guys. I'm from Africa, wishing all the best, wishing peace to all the countries.